Firstly, thank you for those who have already subscribed and are showing so much love by giving thumbs up to my videos. Those who have not yet subscribed, do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. In today's video I am going to tell you on how Graphology can help you to lose weight. Five traits that can help you to lose weight are 1. Physical activity P. 2. Squeezed alphabets 3. Writing upper zone alphabets properly in upper zone 4. Pen stop 5. Determination. Let's first see how P can help you lose weight in Graphology. Whenever someone writes P in a way that there is a loop in stem of P, that person likes doing physical activity. It could be playing games, exercise, yoga, gym, anything. So doing exercise would help you to lose weight. Here is the example of physical activity P. Here comes our second trait with Graphology, it's the trait to have squeezed alphabets. When someone has squeezed handwriting, that means that person cannot sit idle. Such writers constantly need some activity. When you have both the traits in handwriting of single writer, physical activity P, and squeezed handwriting, then such writers are free. They would always opt to do any physical activity that would of course help in burning calories. You can see examples of squeezed handwriting in the below example. Next, let's see upper zone alphabets with Graphology. When your upper zone alphabets like D, H, L, etc. don't go till upper zone and stays in middle zone, and D looks like A, H looks like N, or L looks like I, then these are writers who find happiness in life via stomach, as stomach comes in middle zone of our body. What I mean here is these writers are generally big time foodie who may be overeating at times. So if you take upper zone alphabets up to properly upper zone, then you will find no pleasure in mind games. If upper zone alphabet writers' traits are combined with previous two traits that I talked about, it would be easier for them to lose weight. Here comes example of upper zone writer and middle zone writer. Next comes determination and losing weight with Graphology. You need to have very strong determination to do your workout regularly and diet control. Let us see traits of determination in handwriting. I have already made a video on determination, link of which I have given in description. Surely do check that. One last quality that's necessary to reach any goal in life is putting in same amount of energy from start to end till any task is done. That is known as pen stop in Graphology. To understand in detail what exactly is pen stop, do check my video on pen flick and pen stop with Graphology, link to which I have given in description. Let me know in comments which topic videos do you want me to make.